Welcome to MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Once again, my name is Alex, and today I would like to present to you our Sea Ray 250 SDX 2019 year model. This is the first year this type of boat has actually brought to the market. It has lots of features that you would only see in a Sea Ray. We have in the back, in the transom area here, we have a submersible swim platform, very easy to access. Perhaps you can sit here and be waist down in the water and feel very comfortable. Use it as a chair perhaps. We look underneath the boat. We come with the Bravo 3 dual propeller drives, and perhaps we also have underwater lights here for those afternoons or nights that you would like to light up the water and have a nice view of the water and surroundings. As we come towards inside the boat, we have a built-in swim platform covered in sea deck. For those hot days and you want to have you feel cool, nothing better than the sea deck material to stay cooler. We have a very large lounge area here for when you want to lay out or stay on the water a little bit comfortable. We have a removable back, which it's definitely a lot of room for 3 to 4 people to hang out here and not get tired. We also have here, as we move towards the back, very easy access to reach and pick up your inflatables, your toys, not having to go inside the boat. It's a very nice feature that allows to get quick access to perhaps a life jacket. As we move inside the boat, we're gonna have a infinity flooring. This particular floor is also snap-in, so you can keep it in the boat, very easy to clean, or perhaps remove it and have it out of the boat if you please, if you ever bring animals, or perhaps you don't want it to be something that is gonna, animals can tear or anything, but it's very durable. Most likely it's not gonna happen anything to it if you leave it on the boat. It's got a lot of special features, special stitching on the boats. The helm area here is equipped with a 9-inch Simrad, and it's also connected to vessel view, so you can get information directly from your engine here to the helm section. We have, once again, lift up bolster seats, which will allow you for better visibility, and you will see your surroundings a little bit better for those days that you want to dock and have more access to the side of the boat. We have, for the first time in this Sea Ray models and lines, a side walkthrough. What this allows us to do is perhaps be able to have a larger cabin area, which was pretty much unheard of in a bow rider of this size. We actually were able to even put a head inside this enclosure, and perhaps if you wish, we can convert this enclosure into a flat area for those days that you just feel like resting. Once again, the 250 SDX, brand new model for this year, and it's been creating a lot of waves and a lot of buzz on the water. It's the boat to have. We have here at Beaufort, Georgia, available for viewing and demo. We have bow coolers. We have areas to adapt your table in the front and the back of the boat. We have front ladders that can be easily deployed when needed. Once again, this boat has the sports tower, which would allow you for those days when the family wants to do some water sports, wakeboarding. It has the special sports tower that can definitely provide a lot more lift for jumps and wakeboarders to feel a little bit more comfortable on the water. On the back section here, once again, MerCruiser 6.2 liter engine, 300 horsepower. Comes with the automatic Halon fire extinguisher, and we do include a battery charger for the boat, so you can always be sure that your batteries are always fresh and ready to go. Once again, I'm Alex. Welcome to MarineMax. Come back and see us. If you have any questions, please call us, or perhaps stop by and we'll be happy to assist you.